I will introduce my group members: Rakshita, Anjali, Tejaswini, Tanuja, Nooreen, Vignesh, and Chandresh, and myself, Lavanya. We have selected Narayanpura Road, which is in Wilson Garden. The further explanation will be done by my friend Chandresh.
Now we all are going to know the importance of the road. Why the roads are important? Roads are important for transportation and communication. We can take an example of Grand Trunk Road. Grand Trunk Road is one of the oldest and largest road of South Asia. It connects the various parts of the Indian subcontinent. The road that we took is not a Grand Trunk Road, but is connect the various parts of it. Now my friend Rakshita will explain further.
We have selected this road because roads are like arteries. There are many roads to select to this project. We have selected only this road because there are many problems such as garbage are scattered here and there, the buses are not plying in their order, and the street lights are not problem. Because of these conditions, we have selected this road.
Now we are going to show a small play how we interviewed the people in the area. Ma'am, we are coming from Narmada Memorial School. We are doing Balachanagara project. What is your name, ma'am?
Tara.
What are the main problems you are finding in this road, ma'am?
In this road, the garbage is not cleared since a month, and because of smell, the public are burning the garbages, and the smoke and smell is unbearable.
Now listen the next group of people who we interviewed in that area.
Hello ma'am, we are coming from Narmada Memorial School. We are doing a project called Balachanagara. What is your name, ma'am?
Sai Shri.
What are the main problems you are finding in this road?
This road is only not proper. The drunkards are drinking and sleeping. The drunkards are found mainly at night times. The garbages are not taken. Thank you.
Now you listen in another group of people which we interview in that.
Ma'am, we are coming from Narmada Memorial School. We are doing a project called Balachanagara. What is your name, ma'am?
Shashikala.
What are the main problems you are finding in this road, ma'am?
In this road, there are many problems. The buses are not taken properly. There are traffic because of buses. Because of this, the children and old people can't walk in this road. It is very, very risky to the life. And the government says that save energy, save energy, save energy. What energy can be saved in this? See, the time is now morning 10 o'clock. Still the lights are on. We need a switch pole. We need a switch for an electric pole that we can on or off the light. And there are many chicken stalls in this road, and the smell is unbearable, and there are more dogs in this road because of this. Thank you.
By doing this interview, we can know that there are many problems in this road. We should do this very soon. Thank you.
Let us enjoy a small poem about the importance of the road. The road goes ever on and on.
Down the door where it began.
Now far ahead the road has gone.
And I must follow if I can.
Pursuing with a eager feet.
Until it joins a larger way.
Where the many paths and the errands meet. It is snipped from the Tolkien, a Lord of the Rings, which tells about the road. Thank you.
When roads are important, how can the problems be solved? We all need to work towards the suggestion mentioned. So can we all group and make the vision come true?
Resident city planning requires a commercial venture like bars should not be around the resident locality as the people are disturbed a lot because bars remain open till midnight and even in early morning. One day I and my friend had been to that road. We saw a drunkard sleeping on the road, screaming and shouting at others. This disturbed the whole area. I am going to say some few points which should be undertaken to improve the roads. The road should have the two ways for the vehicles could move from one or the other ways. There should be a zebra crossing to children or people to move from the zebra crossing, and there should be a traffic light so the vehicles could pass through a traffic light. Thank you.
Thank you for giving an opportunity to talk and speak of the words, and my friend Anjali and Tejaswini will be singing one song.
ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ನ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕುವ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ಅಪ್ಪಿತಪ್ಪಿ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ನ ನಾವೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಬೈಯುವ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದ ಸಿಟಿನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಿತ್ತ